guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing the children's holiday gift guide. I feel like kids, Louie, I feel like kids are the easiest ones to buy for, mostly because they just want toys. And they don't care about quality, they want quantity. Just buy them a bunch of dollar store toys and they'll be happy, most likely. I have some things on here that I thought would make really cute gifts this year. Some of them educational, some of them not. So let's jump in. The first thing I have is the Little Live Scruff-a-Loves. I actually got this for my nieces and my nephews because I knew if I got one for my niece, it's too fun of a project that my nephews would get jealous, and because they're all younger than her, it's just not fair. And basically, it's a stuffed animal. You can choose pink or blue, and it comes in like this messy ball. And you're thinking, what the heck is that? And basically they drop it in water and soak it, and it unfolds itself, and you get to see then what you got. Did you get a dog? Did you get a cat? Like, it's different types of stuffed animals. You don't know. Everyone like gets something different. And then you can blow dry it and brush its fur and make it look all cute. But the thing that I loved most about it is it's something they can continue to play with in the bath. And so they can take it into the bath with them every night if they want, and then blow dry it, and you know, just kind of, I just thought it makes it a bit more fun and interactive than just here's a stuffed animal. You know what I mean? The next one is the LOL Surprise Biggie Pets. This is something that I got. I was gonna send it to my friend Laura in the UK for her daughter Lily for Christmas. And then it arrived, and I'm not kidding, it is massive. Like, I was like, what? How am I gonna send this? So I instead am purchasing off the Amazon UK site and sending it directly to her. And then this one that I purchased, I'm giving to my niece. Basically, LOL dolls, I don't understand it. There's an obsession within the child community with these balls that you open up, and inside of it are these little tiny dolls and like little outfits that can go with them. Again, I don't understand it because it's like $20 for an LOL doll, but you get something so tiny. But kids are absolutely obsessed with it. This Biggie Surprise is a huge LOL doll, and it comes with like interactive things. So it comes with 3D glasses and like little areas on the cardboard box that they can color in, and then inside that huge ball is like different pets for your LOL dolls. And so I thought that would make it a fun surprise, and it is $30, but I feel like a $30 LOL doll that's like that big versus the $20 ones that are like that big is a better deal. The next one I have is the Pomsey's Blossom Plush. So these are little stuffed animal toys that kids can take with them places, because the tail will wrap around their wrist like a bracelet, and so it's like the head of a cat, and then it has like the tail that wraps around the bracelet. And I thought these are super cute, and you know how kids love taking their toys places with them, but inevitably they will lose them. So you always have that kid crying in the mall because she can't find her Frozen doll or something like that. So I thought this is the perfect gift because it stays connected to them. They can't lose it, and they don't have to physically carry it, but it's with them. So I thought that would make a really great gift as well, and that was $14, I believe. The next thing on here is something I got my nephew for his birthday, and he's obsessed with it. So much so that his little brother waits for him to go to school and then plays with it so that he doesn't get yelled at for playing with it. It is the Hot Wheels Corkscrew Crash. This is like a Hot Wheels track that has like the little spinny loops, almost like a roller coaster, and it comes with 2 cars. You can also buy extra cars for it. And this is something that's going to entertain your kid for ages. Another one that would actually be really good for teens and kids alike is the Aniki Overdrive Starter Kit. And this is something totally different than I've ever seen before. First of all, the track itself is going to probably take up your entire living room. And it's so weird. It says, unrivaled supercar tech. These aren't just cars, they're robots, programmed for battle and controlled with your mobile device. Each supercar is loaded with cutting-edge features, including an optical sensor, dedicated 50 MHz CPU, and 2 high-performance motors for precision maneuvering with 1mm accuracy. So these tracks are like this wide, and you can build like tons of different designs with it. so you can design your own course. And then using your mobile device, you download the app and you can control the cars. And apparently they're built to battle. In the picture, it shows like the cars like vibrating each other. I don't know. I'll put some pictures up so you guys can see. It is more expensive. This is $99 on sale. It's $50 off, so that's good. But yeah, it's just, it looks awesome. I kind of want to get one and play with it. The next thing I have on here, which is actually something super cool, it's the Ozobot Bit Coding Robot. This is, again, something I got my nephew for his birthday, and something, if you don't have kids, I don't have kids and I didn't know this until it was brought to my attention by a family member, but one of the kind of requirements in school nowadays is coding, learning to code. And that can actually be one of the foreign languages that a student takes, is coding. And I just thought that's so cool, because that is the way of the future. I mean, it's the way right now. People want to get jobs with Apple and Facebook and Google, and you have to know how to code just as like a basic requirement for any job there. So I thought that's a great way of introducing young kids to coding with this toy, and they're able to like make it move around and leave colors and stuff like that. So it makes it like really interactive and something they want to play with. The next thing I have is the Barbie lunch purse. This is something I got my niece for her school, or for her birthday for school, and it looks like a little handbag, and it's got Barbie on the front, and then inside of it it's like a lunch pail, so you're able to pack their lunch in there. It'll help it keep cool because it's got that like igloo packaging inside, and it's a lunch pail, but it looks like they've got their own little handbag to carry on their arm. And of course the Barbie dream house. I feel like a year doesn't go by where I'm like, Barbie dream house. But I remember being a kid and wanting that Barbie dream house. So, and actually they're not nearly as expensive as the LOL doll house. So I would highly recommend the Barbie dream house if you want something big and like be like, surprise, you know what I mean? It's definitely big. My sister has one for her daughter and it's massive. Also, the Barbie Careers Pack, they have different ones to choose from. My favorite one is Pet or Vet, because I enjoy pets. But what it comes with like a Barbie and like the stuff that Barbie needs to complete her career. So whatever the career is, whether it's a doctor or something like that. And I just think that's a great way of encouraging young girls and boys to go after their dream regardless of what they want. And then finally, this is much more expensive, but the Kano computer kit, Make a Computer Learn to Code. This computer kit caught my attention because of the fact that it actually works. So basically they get a box full of parts and directions on how to build their own computer. And then within that computer, they learn how to code it. And once they've coded it, they can then download WhatsApp, YouTube, Google. All of these apps that we actually use, they can download and use on this computer that they've built. And I just thought, that is insane. That's so cool. And I actually know some adults that would like to play with that and build their own computer. So this was, I believe, $150, but I just thought it's so worth it in the sense of being educational and teaching them about the technology that they're using. This is something that they recommend 6 years and older. Which is why I'm including it in the children's one, but it would also be great for teens as well. So I'll add the links for this one and the race car track to the teen one, just in case you guys are interested in that. But that is it for my kids holiday gift guide. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also please leave comments below of any ideas for kids Christmas gifts, because I'm sure there's plenty of parents and, like me, aunts and uncles out there trying to figure out what the hell to get these kids for Christmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!